Hello students, welcome to Cyber Hygiene Model United Nations 2025, India's first national level MUN dedicated to cyber safety, digital citizenship and responsible online behavior. Are you a student from grade 8 to 10 with a passion for global issues, public speaking or technology? Then it's a time to raise your voice, not just in the classroom but on a national stage. In a world driven by the internet, being digitally smart is no longer a choice. It's a necessity. Cyber Hygiene MUN 2025 empowers young minds to debate, discuss, and defend ideas that shape the future of our digital world. Structured into two levels, state and national, this simulation of UN General Assembly focuses on real-life cyber challenges and solutions. You will form teams of 2 student delegates with guidance from a teacher or a mentor, compete with schools across 8 states in the country, showcase your leadership skills and win recognition at every level. With awards, certificates and national exposure, this is more than a competition, it's a movement for digital empowerment. So what are you waiting for? Join us and become an ambassador of tomorrow. Cyber Hygiene MUN 2025, Think Global, Act Digital.